Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to be replacing my door handles with real carbon skinned ones. Look at that. These aluminium ones seem to be really high prone to get scratches, and I've got some markings on this one and the driver's side one, so I'm going to change these over today. Hopefully pretty simple. As always, I've done one side first just in case, because you never know exactly how it's going to turn out. So what you're going to need is some masking tape. That's probably to protect the plastic around the edge of the door, and also the tools I'm using are I've got some like hooked tools, these particular ones, so you can like hook around, but the main thing is it's so close, I'll show you, to the edge here, that you really got to get something quite thin under there. But what you don't want to do is bend the aluminium, but also you don't want to mark this area as well. So I'm going to mask it up around here, and I'm going to use this tool here, and hopefully this ain't going to be a ball ache, and it's going to look absolutely sick. I'm hoping so anyway. Right, so first things first, tape. Right, so I'm going to use this tool first. This one's got really thin. You want to get the one with the thinnest edge to it to get underneath. Once you've slightly lifted it, then I get one of these tools, and and then you just work. Oh, there we go. Just keep working. Don't force it. There we go. So to show you, there's these clips behind there. These are the ones, the tough ones, and they're right on the edge. So you want to get those ones out. So now, that's what we've got. The simple job now of feeding that clip and that clip. There we go. Job done. Nice and tough. In. Beautiful job. Got the driver's one done already, and the passenger's one done. Really pleased with that. Thanks very much, Brittany. Brittany's got, or she did have a really super TT. She took all her stuff out of her car, and I purchased a few bits from her, so I've got another thing coming shortly, which is actually the carbon center console. That is going to be a job. That's another video coming up. Wait for that one. I've just got to grow some balls to be able to do it first. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It really does help. My subscriptions are going up very slowly, but I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I'm hoping you guys are enjoying watching what I'm doing as well, and hopefully you guys can do the same thing, and hopefully it's helped you out, because I've searched all over YouTube for stuff and I never find that many things. So I'm helping all the TT fans out there, and hopefully I look forward to seeing you guys on Instagram. Follow me, Rappy TT. I'll put the link just over here. See you on my next video. Ciao.